I'm tired. I have one of the most of all time advanced 2013 2013 most ever seen of all time, absolutely positively the most advanced piece of technology that you gonna ever see. You ever. I'ma show it to you. I'ma show it to you. And it's 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 advanced. You know me, I'm about the technologies and this stuff. I ain't never seen anything like it ever. Anyways, check this out, Joe. They call him floppy disk. Floppy disk. Look at this. Look at floppy. Floppy disk. This is advanced technology. You can hold a lot on here. Like, I mean, a lot of stuff. Like, you can hold a quarter of an MP3 on this. It's like, you can listen to your MP3 on like 4 of these. Joe, and get a whole song. This is the future. You gotta get some flowers. You gonna get some.